Today, I'm going to show you how you can hustle your way to making money on TikTok. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm sharing 10 of the best ways to make serious cash on TikTok. And trust me, you don't need to be a mega influencer to get started. Whether you're just starting out or have already built a following, there's something here for everyone. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. 1. TikTok Creativity Program. First up, we've got the TikTok Creativity Program, which used to be known as the Creator Fund. TikTok pays you for views on videos that are over a minute long, and this program is perfect for anyone who enjoys creating longer, more detailed content. Now, to get started, you'll need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Also, you must be at least 18. Once you're in, TikTok pays you about $1 per 1,000 views. It may not sound like much, but let's do the math. 1 million views equal $1,000. That's pretty solid. Here's a pro tip. Mix in shorter, more engaging content to grow your account faster while also creating longer videos eligible for the creativity program. Some creators even repurpose clips from their longer videos to create quick, snappy snippets that attract more viewers. Keep an eye on trending hashtags and challenges as they can significantly boost your views, pushing your content even further. 2. TikTok Shop. Next up, we have TikTok Shop. This is a game changer. TikTok now lets you sell physical products directly through your videos, and people can buy them without leaving the app. You don't even need your own product. You can team up with brands or even do drop shipping. If you have your own products like branded merch, TikTok Shop makes it easier than ever to turn your followers into customers. If you're just starting out, here's a tip. Focus on products that align with your audience's interests. Are you into fitness? Sell workout gear. Do you love beauty products? Promote skincare or makeup. The key is to create engaging videos that show why your audience needs what you're selling. Plus, TikTok is pushing the shop feature pretty hard right now, so using it could give your video that extra visibility boost. Imagine running an entire business from your TikTok account without even needing a website. Pretty sweet, right? 3. Affiliate marketing. If you're looking for passive income, affiliate marketing is where it's at. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product in your videos, include a link in your bio, and whenever someone buys it, you get a commission. This is great because you don't need to worry about shipping, inventory, or customer service. You're just recommending products and making money when people buy them. Start with something like an Amazon storefront. Add your favorite products to your storefront, make TikToks showing them off, and let your followers shop directly through the link in your bio. A single viral video can send thousands of people to your affiliate link, which means more commissions rolling in. Pro tip: be authentic. Don't recommend products you don't believe in because your audience will see right through it. Instead, show how you use the product in your everyday life. The more relatable and natural it feels, the more likely people are to buy. 4. Going live and virtual gifts. Going live on TikTok isn't just fun. It can actually make you money. When you go live, viewers can send you virtual gifts, which you can then convert into real cash. Some gifts are small, like pandas or hearts, but there's one called the TikTok University that's worth up to $500. Yep, $500 from one gift. Going live also helps boost your visibility on TikTok, which is huge for growing your audience. The more you go live, the more people you reach, and the more virtual gifts you're likely to receive. Pro tip: consistency is key. Go live regularly, engage with your viewers, answer questions, and build a connection with your audience. Over time, people will look forward to your live streams, making it more likely for them to send you gifts. 5. Brand collaborations. Brand collaborations are another fantastic way to make money on TikTok. Brands are constantly looking for TikTokers to promote their products, and they're willing to pay good money to do it. The best part? You don't need a million followers to get started. If you have solid engagement, even with 10,000 or 20,000 followers, brands will still be interested in working with you. Pro tip: when reaching out to brands, focus on how you can authentically integrate their products into your content. Brands want to see how their products can fit seamlessly into your TikToks, not just an ad. 6. User-generated content, UGC. Let's talk about user-generated content, or UGC. Brands will pay you to create content for them. But here's the catch. You don't even have to post it on your own TikTok account. They use it for their own marketing, which means you get paid no matter how many followers or views you have. It's an easy way to make money without having to constantly chase TikTok's algorithms. Brands love UGC because it feels authentic and relatable. It's much easier to trust a real person than a polished ad. So if you can create high-quality, genuine content that resonates with a brand's audience, you're in. 7. Selling digital products. Physical products aren't the only thing you can sell on TikTok. Digital products are where the real magic happens. Think ebooks, online courses, or templates. Let's say you're a photographer. You could create an ebook on photography for beginners or sell photo presets people can use to edit their pictures. The best part about digital products? Once you create them, you can sell them over and over again with no extra work. Just drop a link in your bio, create TikToks promoting it, and let TikTok drive traffic to your product. 8. Coaching and consulting. If you're an expert in something, why not get paid to teach it? Coaching and consulting are fantastic ways to monetize your skills. Whether you're a fitness trainer, business coach, or social media guru, people are willing to pay for your expertise. TikTok is the perfect platform for showing off your knowledge and building trust with potential clients. Start by posting videos where you answer common questions or show how you solve problems. Then offer coaching sessions or consulting services through a link in your bio. It's an easy way to turn your skills into dollars. 9. Creating and selling online courses. Got something you're good at? Turn it into an online course and sell it. Courses are an amazing way to create passive income. You create the content once, and it keeps making money for you month after month. Whether it's a guitar lesson or a digital marketing strategy, if people want to learn it, they'll pay for it. Pro tip: offer different pricing tiers. You can have a beginner course, an intermediate one, and an advanced one. That way, you cater to a wider audience and maximize your revenue. 10. Online memberships. If courses aren't your thing, you could create an online membership community. Think of it as a Netflix-style subscription for whatever expertise you have. People pay you a monthly fee for access to exclusive content like pre-recorded videos, live streams, or even Canva sessions with you. This is great because membership income is recurring. That means money comes in every month, giving you a more stable source of income. Plus, TikTok is perfect for building a loyal following that would love to pay for exclusive access. There you have it. 10 amazing ways to make money on TikTok, whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out. Remember, it's not just about creating content, it's about being strategic and consistent. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.